If you're planning to have a Netflix and chill day, now this would be the perfect snack along with a can of beer, of course. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a really easy sticky soy wings. Get yourself some 12 clean wings and place them on a baking tray. Now whilst we're doing that, make sure to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and we're gonna bake our wings in there for at least 45 minutes. Right guys, it's halfway through, we're gonna take it out and then just flip it over. And now let's put it back into the oven. And all we do is wait and let's do something else. I don't know, watch a Netflix film. Dun, 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 dun. It's time to grab our wings out. Look at that amazingness. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our Mak Tok's latest sauce, which is our sweet soy sauce. Hashtag let's get saucy. Okay, alright, that was cringy. I'm gonna pour them all over our wings. Wow, look at that guys. Okay, and now we're just gonna mix it all over, making sure each part of our wings is fully coated. Now they're all fully coated, what I tend to love to do is gonna sprinkle a bit of sesame. Okay, pop it back in for 3 minutes. And guys, how easy is that? After 3 minutes, dinner is sorted. We're gonna start plating them. Now let's garnish it with our sesame seeds. And last but not least, some coriander. Here we have it, our sticky soy wings. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. Look at that guys. Okay, this is the part that I love the most. Because it's got the skin, the meat. Tastes so good, guys. It's sweet and sticky, it's savory, salty. Wow, it's so good, guys. If you're planning to have a Netflix and chill day, now this would be the perfect snack along with a can of beer, of course. I hope you'll give this simple recipe a go. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi!